To you, oh. Now because of you, I can live, oh, Baba, mo. Nothing I go give you, Baba, anymore. You dey make me shout, Baba, anymore. Jehovah God, I throw a salute to you, oh. Now because of you, I can live, oh, Baba, mo.
Hello, my people. I salute you now. I greet everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. It depends on where you dey watch me from. My name na Lady Kati. My tori wey I wan share with una today na be about single mother. Single mother, everybody dey say single mother, single mother, single mother. Wetin be single mother? Single mother no be curse, no be sickness, no be bad thing. Single mother na the person, na the woman wey no get husband. Single na the woman wey no get husband, wey get children. Single mother na woman wey her husband die, wey get children. Single mother na woman wey be say e no dey with her husband again, they don separate. Single mother na woman wey be say e marry, e divorce with her husband, but e get children. Single mother na woman wey be say na only her dey single-handedly dey take care of her children without no man. Na be single mother. Single mother na still some people wey be say, some set of women wey be say they decide to get children. Some na because their age don go, and some na because people dey born, they wan born. Some na they just wan born, just to, they feel say maybe they fit use am take hold the man or whatever. So na im be single mother. Single mother no be sickness, no be as we dey reason am or as we dey think am. I no come call single mother or talk bad of na, but I just wan come encourage single mothers dem, because me too, I was once a single mother. I fit be single mother, na man sef put me into am. No be say I no get character, no be say I no good, I good. I by the grace of God, I no fit praise myself, but I know say I dey okay. But because of some men character, when they do something, they no dey think of tomorrow. This person why I dey talk so wey make me be single mother before, na him himself dey even dey buy medicine that time, dey give me make I drink. I dey hide am. The day wey he see say I buy medicine hide, and the medicine wey he buy for me hide am, e dey very vex. Even him grandmother sef dey carry me go. They come dey carry me go one woman wey dey give person medicine for pikin. They give me make I drink so that just to get belle. I no wan get belle because one, they never marry me. But until the mother of the boy call me, tell me say no worry my pikin, if I just come, because then the mother dey live for Italy. Say if I come, no worry, we go do am. We go do the marriage, like so. Na so I come take born. The woman come, and during that way take on, I wan born. Say okay, no worry, if I come again, we go do am. Na so I take born. But at the end, wetin happen? This man leave me. Woman wey come for Austria, he go do, I dey house. So he tell me say na business he dey go do for Lagos. 3 good months I no see am. Na later I come take know say he do registry with woman wey come for Austria. He leave me for house, so for the house, not be say for another person, for the house, go do registry. The grandmother sef, na me even tie their head for her. The hair wey she carry go, na me tie am with one errand boy wey dey with the two of them go do registry with. Meet am go do registry. I no know the thing wey dey happen, but later na I come take know say see wetin happen. So just tell me, na so I tell you wetin make am do am. He say na because the woman say he wan carry am go abroad. He go carry am go abroad because he first dey abroad before they deport am. So him mother try, e no fit work. He come feel say that one tell am say if they just do registry marry, he go just carry am 94 enter. But at the end, he no still make am. The marriage no still go. Na so it happen. Even just by I ask her when he take come, say where you go, wetin happen? You abandon me and my child for how many months? He say na make me go in my papa house, me go dey sleep with man, me go dey do this. Now wetin they come dey tell am be that, just to spoil my head, because he don already marry. Go marry, he dey find how he go take kick me comot for the house. Na say he take do. Na say they take do me, or take throw me comot for the place just like that. I'm say we fight, we not quarrel before he comot, or nothing. Now just because you go do registry, this the video, well, maybe one day you go come across this video if I dey lie. Now I swear say if wetin dey talk say na true, say the truth as they tell you say na so I go sleep, I dey go around because of say you comot for 3 months, person wey just born pikin dey 1 year o, I dey your house, you comot leave me no food, nothing. I no get choice. Now my family say make I come house. When you come back, I go back again. As I go back, you come dey find how to kick me comot. You don't know how you go tell me say see wetin dey happen, but I can't see later know. So that's why they become single mother, my sister. So there are people like that where we say, no, we say they're really bad or they get bad character, but because of some of all those bad head men where they're not serious for life, where they don't know what they want. Many men lost their future wife because of some kind of dirty character where they do. Now so some women still lost their husband because of behavior characters. So it happen like that. So now different single mother. You know, if it talk say, okay, person where your husband die, now you think that he just won't be single mother. So that's if we dey talk about single mothers, or we won't even call single mother, we will not the one they cause. No, so we'll just they classify all of them together because all of them become single mother in a different reasons. So, but waiting, I just really come for. I just want to talk to single mother, say all hope is not lost, life never finish, you still get hope. When there is life, there is hope. All you don't need to know now to retrieve your step, no way for wrong, no way for make mistake, not just jump into another relationship when you just they finish. I don't see somebody who say just they come up for this one now, he not work, he just they enter another one again, he just they born put again, another one he just they born again. You does that? They know they do that one. You go just say because the thing they sweet you, or waiting they sweet you, where because they try to they born now like that. Especially here where we dey for Europe here, it happen where for here, but you're not supposed to be so. You're supposed to sit down. If you really want to settle down, you won't be, because no person no like to stay husband house. So everybody won't live happily with for a marriage. You have to, if anything, if now you did wrong, or you know say now you cause that relationship will not work, think of what to do. Plan towards your next relationship. How you go fit make am work. Pray, may God give you the person way go understand you, way go love you, because there are still men wey say they say one man's food is another man's poison. No matter your situation, no matter your character, no matter your behavior, no matter your beauty or your how you ugly or whatever you think say you be, there is a man there wey be say he go love you like that. He love you, go love you for who you are. So that will not just think of him. All you just need to do now, make you self build yourself. Retrieve your step. Think of your life. Think of wetin don happen for your past relationship, so that in this new one, you no go fit make mistake again. Even when the mistake won't come or things won't go wrong, you will know how to handle them. And that one make me the talk now. That one really want to talk. Say make we not dey rush into another one. You know how many years it take me? Not be say men not come, they come more. May they come, but I don't want. Me alone, they take care of my child. I don't want. I tell God, I say, God, the man wey go come next again to me, I not go friend down. Not be the man wey go date, they do the down. No, I don't want that one. Because I know, say, those days that they give woman, they give her to man, they're not the friend, they go date, they go stay 30 years, 50 years before they go even think they hold, say they go date together. So why not go feed one? So now what I ask God, now God do for me. Now so they bring back like this straight marriage. So no matter anything where anybody go to talk now, or no matter anything where they happen, I not go just listen. All I know say now what I tell God may do for me, now he do for me. And by the grace of God, God know how they do things. He say God blessing make it rich and added no sorrow. God not they give you, can't give you tears. They give you sorrow. Now just make you get patient. So just try. Hold yourself. If you don't get pikin, take care of your pikin. Pray, tell God. If now you make mistake, tell God, say God forgive me. I know where I don't do wrong. If you go feel work, make it work. Make una come back. If you not feel work, make God put you in the right place. Make He give you the man where go cherish you, where go love you. wey go understand you, una go live together as one, una go dey happy. E go do am. No be say you go just rush into another one again. You know say men get trilly, and we women, our mind too dey soft, but we just dey play hard. Na lie, we no hard anything when it comes to man and woman matter, you know. So we don't. Now that one I want make we know say when there is life, there is hope. Somebody dey there wey God make for you, wey God keep for you. Now just make you get patient. If you we dey make, we know, like, we don't make so many mistakes. You know, some women they like go say because of everybody don dey born, me I never born, my mate don born, all that. You go just say belle just come go just enter. They know they use man, you go just born am. They know they use pikin whole man. They know they use pikin whole man at all. Even if you born 10, if the man won't go, he go go. If not before you, not before you. If not for you, he go definitely come back. Now my belief be that. They say person you know the past person, you know the run past person, you know the waka past person. Your home must surely come to you. Your home will stay. Even if you go, it will come back. Your home. I just make you hold yourself, hold your side. Nothing there. For me, I don't see anything there. We just the look husband and wife. I know me, I know they see it. I don't see anything. If we do, we do. If we don't want to do, if we not still do, no wahala. You know they do me anything. So that is why I will still stay. Even if not 10 years, I will still stay. So now if you do it, I just like want to share, you know, like make we know they look and like make people know they look single mother like saying a cause or one thing, because every single mother not be the same. There are some single mother where they deliberately won't born, where they just do them by themselves, especially for Europe here, for so many selfish interests they do them to become single mother. That one is understood. That one day, if not they talk to them, I go they classify them, I go they differentiate them. So they know. Not saying I will group everybody, because I know some single mothers now widow. Some single mothers now their husband I throw them out. Some single mothers, many now men said make them become am. Not saying now them. Now very few. Now be saying they by themselves do am for selfish interests. Now very few. Now very few. So I beg, you know. Like now advice we need to give them, you know, make them fit know their self, make them know, make them get their self-esteem, make them know like say because they don't become single mother, they not be anybody again. You are still told you that you still be who you be. You still be that gallant and beautiful, elegant woman where you be. Now just for you to get out from mind like that, say na so you be. Stand up for your rights, you know. Fight, pray, and God go do one for you. So now just this message now I just get for single mothers, you know, like make we beg, you know, make we not continue like this. If man say he no want, no force am. If man not tell you say born for me, if man even tell you born for you, you know what to do now. Now yeah, now we see this new millennium. Now person they use matter. You say born for me, you're born. No, you're not supposed to that. Those are holding days pattern be that. You're not supposed to continue like that because of some selfish interest. Now make you see say for here many of them will just carry the bomb. Now because of money. So now just to hold the man, and they forget say they know they feel you speaking to hold man. So I beg, make we try, you know, do things right. Make they do things the way it's supposed to be. We'll do things the way it's supposed to be, and make we not look down on ourselves. Not look down on yourself, say because say you be single mother, say no man will come for you again. You they go for anyone will just come. No, I won't tell you anyone. Still stand on your ground. Now what you want, now you will get. There's not what you ask God, what God do for you, now they do for person. You know, if you say tell God, say give me bread, make he give you stool. No. If you tell God, say that this kind of man I want to, the one where I feel get, you know join or you know do this. Now so no, now this kind of one, now you want. So if I make yourself, make sure say you they want God fearing man. make you sef dey God fearing. You want fine man, make you sef dey fine. You want man with good character, make you sef get good character. You want man wey go school, make you sef go school. So na so e be. Anything wey you dey ask God for, make sure say you sef don look yourself, you don purge yourself, you don scream yourself, say okay, I dey perfect, I dey okay like this. So you go begin ask God for how you want am. You no fit be drunkard, you dey tell God say I no want, God abeg, I no want somebody wey dey drink. Oh no, e no possible. You no fit be liar, dey tell God say I no want person wey dey lie. You no fit dey thief, dey tell God say God I no want person wey dey thief. So anything wey you want from God, make sure say you sef don be am. Make sure say you don be am, you don work towards am. So then God go fit answer you to give you that perfect person wey you want. You no understand? So abeg, make we share this video, share anybody wey dey watch am, any person wey see this video, help me share the video, share am. Maybe e go still make sense for one or two person wey go still hear am, wetin I dey talk, go still make sense for am. Make we no dey rush into a relationship wey we say we don make, if we don get one mistake, or if we don fit happen say we don be single mother before, make we no dey rush into another one so easily. No rush into am. Man go come. Man dey come. Wey be say you never, no be say you don reach 40 or you don reach 50. Even people reach 50 sef, dem dey fit still hold theirself. Talk like say you wey just dey come, 20-something years, early 30s. Where you dey run go? Go sit down, purge yourself. E go come. You no know say this life, you think say men no dey look. Dem dey look. You see as women dey look for husband, na so men dey look for wife. I first talk this thing for my first video. Na so men dey look for wife, but men dey look for wife material. Their own no dey show, but they dey look. They go dey look you. They look your character, they look your behavior, they look your attitude. You see, somebody fit just like you, but when you go see the way you dey, the thing we dey possess, the way you dey behave, your attitude, the way you dey talk, you go say no, this one, this one, no person no fit use this one take be housewife. E go dey even hail you for the nonsense stupidity wey you dey do, go dey hail you put. But you as a woman, you no go use your sense. You no go use your sense. May I tell you one thing wey una no know, responsible girl, e dey attract responsible man. Wawawa girls, na wawawa man na you go see attract. Gangster go attract gangster. You know, your where you be, now you go, now that same person you go attract. If you be type where you say you like clubbing, you like life, you like all those rough life, all those things, now that same kind of person that go come your way. Just know am now. So if you know say as a woman, you know say rough life not be waiting, you go wish to live forever. Say you feel say later I go change. Now like you better change now. So that kind of person, better person go come your way. Because if you say you like man wey gallant, man wey know what's up, man wey do this, if you get an later, you come later they see say na the wrong person that you choose be that, e go don too late. E don too late that time. E go don too late, my sister. So it's better now you do things right, so you get the right man. Not because of say you see wetin other people they do, you won't do am. No, not say because that make many people. Sometimes still there, it don't still spoil many people home. You go see, maybe the girl na that kind, where they drink, they smoke, or whatever. Man go just the way just love her like that. But later the girl, if he can't repent, if he can't change, the man will come they look like this one na bote, no know anything. This one don't know what's up. He go come, yeah, he go come there outside. Now so it still be for woman. Woman fit they be that kind of thing, but the man self later, the man still be that kind of one. Later the man fit still can't change. They'll come they look themselves like stranger. So nothing like when you fix yourself, you know what you want before you go for it. Not be say you go for it first, the later you come they say, not be this one I want. Know what you want first before entering it. So now this will be my talk today, my people. I'm gonna share this video. If you watch this video, share them. give a like, comment anything. Let me know if the video makes sense for you, if you see any sense for inside, if you do okay, or tell me what you want me I talk about, because me, I believe I get that spirit, I get that wisdom where we say God deposit on me to talk, that is to counsel people. I be counselor by the grace of God. I feel counsel person no matter anything wey dey pass through, unless I know, once I know like this, I will feel no. If you feel say the world won't end for you before, but by the grace of God, now 1 or 2 words I will tell you, no, you go see say everything about you go dey okay. You know, we begin see life the way you dey see am before. So now this one I just make and share my people. Mona, help me to share this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you some other times. God bless you. God bless you all.